Hi there, my name is Austin Miller. In this video, I'm going to teach you how the PagerTree alert workflow works. At a high level, the alert workflow is simple. Incoming data from third-party systems, such as webhooks, emails, or other vendor integrations will be sent to PagerTree. The integration component in PagerTree is then responsible for accepting the data and transforming it into an alert. After the alert is created, it will either be sent to a router, which is optional, or a team. Routers are an advanced feature that can do additional processing on an alert before it is routed to the team. For this video, we're going to skip the router and go straight to the team. When the alert is routed to the team, PagerTree will look for the team's on-call schedule. The on-call schedule will determine who is on call, for which layers, and the escalation rules. Make sure to check out our other video on how on-call schedules work. Once PagerTree determines who is on call, the user will be notified of the alert. A user can set notification rules, but they are optional. Notification rules are an advanced way to describe how to be notified. For this video, we're going to skip the notification rules and go straight to the notification. The user will be notified via notification via email, push, SMS, voice, or Slack, or any combination thereof. The user should then respond to the notification. Now let's look at an example in practice. I'll go to the integrations page, select an integration, and then look at the integration. If we look at the left-hand side, we'll notice that there's an endpoint, usually a URL. Third-party systems will send incoming data to this endpoint. The integration will then be responsible for transforming this data into an alert. The integration will then send the alert to the destination, in this case, the DevOps team. Going to the DevOps team, we will now look at its on-call schedule. PagerTree will determine who is on call by the team schedule. Currently, Tom the Tech is on call. PagerTree will notify Tom of the alert via his notification channels. Navigating to the user page of Tom the Tech, we can see that he has elected to receive notifications via push, email, and SMS. Tom should then respond to the notification.